Feeling run down and worried about getting sick? You're not alone, but the good news is that there are simple things you might be overlooking that can actually give your immune system a real boost. Having a strong immune system is crucial, especially with all the germs and viruses floating around. A healthy immune system not only helps you fight off illnesses, but also keeps you feeling more energetic and vibrant. And the best part is, you can boost your immunity from the comfort of your own home. No need for fancy treatments or expensive medications. Just simple, effective strategies that you can start implementing today to feel better and stay healthier. A strong immune system can make all the difference in your daily life. Think about it. When you're feeling well, you can tackle your day with confidence, enjoy your favorite activities, and spend quality time with loved ones. On the other hand, when you're constantly getting sick, it can be really frustrating and hold you back from living your best life. That's why it's so important to take care of your immune system. Boosting your immune system can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can start to feel the benefits of a stronger immune system. This can include having more energy, getting better sleep, and even improving your mental clarity. Many of us think that immunity is just about genetics or getting the right vaccines. But the truth is, our daily habits and lifestyle choices play a huge role in how well our immune system functions. Some common misconceptions are that you need to spend a lot of money on supplements or special equipment to boost your immunity. The reality is, there are many simple and cost-effective ways to enhance your immune system. For instance, some people believe that only extreme changes like drastically altering your diet or exercising for hours a day can make a difference. But small changes can add up. Even something as simple as getting enough sunlight or taking short walks outside can have a positive impact. Another misconception is that home remedies are ineffective or only for minor issues. However, many traditional remedies have been used for centuries to support immune health. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Some people also think that if they're not sick, their immune system must be fine. But that's not always the case. You can still have a weakened immune system even if you're not constantly getting sick. It's also commonly believed that only certain foods like oranges or chicken soup can help boost immunity. While those foods do have benefits, they're not the only options. A variety of foods and lifestyle changes can support your immune health. In addition to dietary changes, your environment and stress levels also play a significant role in your immunity. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Finding ways to manage stress, like through meditation or deep breathing exercises, can make a big difference. Similarly, ensuring your home is a healthy environment free from toxins and pollutants can also support your immune health. So, what are some surprising methods to enhance immunity at home? Let's start with dietary tips. Increasing your intake of foods rich in vitamin C like citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens can help boost your immune system. Zinc is another essential mineral for immunity found in foods like nuts, seeds, and shellfish. And don't forget about probiotics, which support gut health and immune function. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Lifestyle changes can also make a significant impact. Regular exercise, even just a short walk each day, can help strengthen your immune system. Getting enough sleep is also crucial, as lack of sleep can weaken your immunity. Natural remedies like elderberry, garlic, and ginger have been used for centuries to support immune health. These can be consumed as teas, added to meals, or taken as supplements. Incorporating immune-boosting herbs like echinacea and turmeric into your diet can also be beneficial. And don't underestimate the power of a good laugh. Stress-reducing activities like watching a funny movie or reading a humorous book can help support your immune system. One particularly effective and unexpected strategy for boosting immunity that you can easily implement right away is to spend more time in nature. Being in nature has been shown to reduce stress levels, improve mood, and even increase the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections. Try to take a short walk outside during your lunch break, or spend a few minutes each day sitting in a park or garden. Even just having a plant or two in your home can help purify the air and boost your mood. These small habits can make a big difference in keeping you healthy. Incorporating immune-boosting activities into your daily routine can be easy and fun. Try something new today, like taking a cold shower or practicing gratitude. To recap, we've discussed the importance of a strong immune system and how simple home remedies can make a big difference. We've explored common misconceptions about immunity and highlighted surprising methods to enhance immunity at home, from dietary tips to lifestyle changes and natural remedies. The key takeaway is that boosting your immune system doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can start to feel the benefits of a stronger immune system. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So start with 1 or 2 changes today and see how you feel. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long term. Finally, we'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite immune boosting tips? Share them with us in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about health and wellness, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice. Thank you for watching.